Hi, boys and girls. This week, many of us are going to start to have an author study. So, what is an author? An author is somebody who writes books, who tells the stories. I picked for my class to read many books by Eric Carle. I love Eric Carle's book. He likes to write about animals: tortoise, kangaroo. Here is one about a gorilla. Here is one about a rooster. There's one that you all know and love, the very hungry caterpillar. And there are the two that I chose for today. Here is one of them, The Greedy Python by Richard Barkley and Eric Carle. If you notice, this book is going to be all in rhymes. Okay. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever seen, wound back and forth and in between. It's very big. He's a python. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. Strong and long. He had a monstrous appetite. His stomach stretched from left to right. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creature came in sight. A mouse scampered to and fro. A frog jumped up from below. A bat that hung from his left toe. A fish that swam a bit too slow. A bird that flew a bit too low. A porcupine that was a half asleep. A monkey that was in mid-leap, in the middle of jumping. See, asleep and leap. A leopard sitting in a tree. A buffalo who came to see. An elephant, complete with trunk, was swallowed in a single chunk. "I am far too big to eat," he cried. "Oh, no, you're not," the snake replied. "Oh, can a snake eat this elephant?" Oh, boy. At last, the python's meal was done, and he lay resting in the sun. What rhymed with done? Sun. The animals inside the skin were making quite a dreadful din. They were making a lot of movements. And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel quite sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. If you can count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He soon felt better, and what's more, was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail, long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. So think about the word greedy, the greedy python. Someone who is greedy is somebody that wants to get everything for themselves. He wants to eat everything. He closed, you see, now he's thinking that's his new meal. What's going to happen? Oh boy. He closed his jaw on his own rear and swallowed hard, and disappeared. This is the greedy python. Now I have a little book that's called Eric Carle's Opposites. This is a book of opposites, and you can help me out because I think you may know them. Day, everybody say it. Night, if you said night, you were right. Up, down. Young, peekaboo, this kid is young. Old. Short. See this caterpillar is short like the ones we got? Long. This snake is long. Awake. What's the opposite of awake? Asleep. High. Low. Wet. Dry. Do you know your opposites? Let's see if you know some opposites. Opposite of short is long. Opposite of pretty is ugly. Night, day. Black, white. Hot, cold. Clean. My shirt is very clean. No, it's not. It's dirty. Sweet, salty. I got a new pair of sneakers. New. Old. Very good. Full. Empty. So you guys do many of them by yourself. There is going to be a sheet attached that you can circle the words that are opposites. Thank you. Hope you get to know all your opposites.